Hey guys, and welcome to Miss Edna Mae's Southern Eats and Treats, where today I'm going to be making one of my favorite meals, smothered turkey thighs. Yep, you heard me, smothered turkey thighs. Now, the key to this is the gravy. Let's go ahead and get started with doing these turkey thighs. Okay, so here are the turkey thighs. They're nice and meaty. We're gonna season them up real good. I have my Miss Edna Mae Southern chicken seasoning. It's also good on turkey, and this will be available soon. I have a line that's coming out that will be available soon on the website. I actually create all the spices. I don't know where you can see. I take the actual herbs and seasonings, dehydrate them myself, blend them together. So we really want to get these coated. Now, since you don't have yours yet, your Miss Edna Mae seasoning, use whatever your favorite seasonings that you would normally use on your chicken. But this right here has all the perfect blends and seasonings. These are actually hand-selected herbs and spices with no chemicals or artificial ingredients. We got these nice and seasoned here. And we're just gonna coat these real good. I like to use the extra virgin olive oil. Okay, so we got these nice and covered with olive oil. Let's go ahead and turn on our oven to 350. Okay, I'm gonna put the skin side down. I didn't mention, I am going to make mashed potatoes and green beans to go along with those. Yeah, I am gonna do some homecooked cornbread, the way that my grandmama used to do them. So now we got these nice and seasoned. So we're gonna put them in a pan, an aluminum pan, something that has like a little wall on it, because we want to make sure that it has room for the juices once they start cooking, so we can make our delicious gravy. So we got these in the pan. So we're gonna cover these in foil. We're gonna cover them for the first 30 minutes. First, we put them in the oven. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get the green beans going. And I just got like a pound. I've already washed them off. What's some of y'all's favorite foods? Let me know in the comments what type of foods y'all like to eat. Gonna get these going. Put in 2 parts water to your 1 part vegetable. Bring it to a boil, and once it starts boiling, then we're gonna turn it down to a simmer so they can just slowly cook. I almost forgot. A smoked turkey. Grab that out from the refrigerator. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the pot while I'm bringing it to a boil. Okay, we got our beans starting to come up to a boil. We'll add in some salt. I'll start it off with a tablespoon. Now the best way to tell if you got enough salt, and you want to do a taste test of your broth. So now we're going to get started on peeling our potatoes. These are Yukon Gold. Okay, so we got our potatoes all peeled. We got our potatoes ready to go. Get this on a medium-high heat. We'll sprinkle in like a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Get these covered. Get them to a boil. We got the potatoes going. That's gonna be ready in about 20 minutes because they're pretty small. Okay, so let's test our potatoes. Oh yeah, see how the fork goes through? They are ready. Okay, so we're ready to mash up the potatoes. I got butter, a little salt, 1.5 cups of milk. Pour that in there. Let's go ahead and start mashing. Go ahead and add in a little milk, and you just want to do this a little at a time until you get it the consistency of nice creamy mashed potatoes. Yeah, more, still a little thick. Add in a tad bit more milk. Okay, we got these nice and whipped. I'll put in the salt, and you just want to get it to the taste that you like. A little taste test. Yeah, definitely good. So we're gonna check to see, it's been 30 minutes. We're gonna check to see how our turkey is looking. Be careful when you're lifting your foil for the steam to come out so you don't get burned. And take our foil off. Put it back in. So we got, check it again in another 30 minutes. It's looking good, y'all. My green beans, those should be ready in 25 minutes. And I do have those cooking on simmer. Okay, y'all, time to check in again. Oh yeah, we're gonna flip these over. We're gonna wrap these, cover these again for 15 more minutes. So these are looking like they're about ready too. We're gonna do a quick taste test. Perfect timing, these are ready. Okay, so down to the turkey thighs. Okay, y'all, so I got 1/8 cup of flour. We're gonna add 2 parts water to this. So I got water added in here, and we're gonna stir this until it's smooth, no lumps. And doing it this way before just adding it to the dish that you're preparing makes it a lot easier. Let's do a little test here. Oh yeah, look how the fork just goes right in there. So what we want to do now is add the flour mixture. Now you want to take your spoon to incorporate this in. Okay, so we want to cover this back up for 15 more minutes. I'm going to show you how to make these hoe cakes. Yep, hoe cakes, H-O. A country form of cornbread. So what we start with is regular cornmeal. We're going to put water in slowly until we get the consistency. And you can make these, some people like for them to be a little thicker. I like mine with a thinness, so when they cook they have like a little crisp to them. Yeah, about like so. This is how I like mine. Once you let this set for a few minutes, it's going to thicken up too. We're going to use some oil. We want this to get a true medium high heat. Next, you can see that's about 1/4 inch deep. Okay, the oil is, yep, feel the heat, it is ready. And as I was saying, this did get thicker. But like I said, I like mine thin. We're gonna take a tablespoon. We're gonna turn the oil down a little bit to medium. And you're gonna scoop in a tablespoonful. Now, if you want these bigger, you can use a bigger skillet, but they don't take long to cook at all. See how they're browning around the edges. Crispy. Flip it over. It's crispy on that side. Get it flipped over here. But yeah, these are whole cakes, y'all. This is my favorite kind of bread when I'm eating a southern meal. Okay, y'all, it's ready. One final step. We're gonna taste this gravy to adjust the salt. And if you want a little pepper to make it a little, give it a little spice. Okay, let's do a little taste test. Definitely needs some salt. I like black pepper, so I'm gonna put a little black pepper in there. Give it that old peppery country kick to it. I'm so glad that I went ahead and did this, because I have been wanting all week just some good old down home country food. Let's taste this gravy. That is so good. That will even be good to go on some rice later on. I got enough. I'll freeze it. Okay, y'all. It's done. It is done. Down home country cooking. Look at that. It's a whole cake. These creamy mashed potatoes. Southern gravy with the southern smothered turkey thighs. Fresh snap green beans. Thumbs up. Gotta go. Okay, so I had to come back and let you know that it really was that good. And it was so worth the wait. So now it's your turn. Go ahead, make it, leave me a comment, and let me know how you liked it. And if you have any questions about any of the steps, leave me a comment and I'll make sure to get back to you with the answers. All right, until next time.